Let me show you how you can buy real estate without having any money. Let me show you with numbers. Let's say you want to buy a property and you have no money. You have two options. So either get a private loan or get hard money. What is hard money? Hard money are the institutions like Money Mart or Fast Cash that will give you the money that you need for a high interest of 10 to 15%. Or private lenders are people that know you or family members, the people that can give you the money for 6 to 8%. Let's say you come up with $20,000 from those people. First time buyers do not pay property transfer tax and they need to only come up with 5% down payment. $20,000 will get you a $400,000 condo, and now let's say you rent out the condo for $1,800 a month. From that $1,800, $800 will go to the bank interest and $1,000 will go to the home equity. After 1 year, you have built $12,000 home equity, and let's say the real estate market goes up 10%. That means you have $40,000 plus $12,000 home equity. That's $52,000 in total. Then you can go to the bank and ask for 80% of that, which is $41,600. You can go back and pay off the $20,000 loan that you got at the beginning, and you have $20,000 left in your bank account. Opportunities are always there in real estate. You just have to know and be brave enough to be able to take the next step and buy your investment. If you want to know more tips and hacks, follow me.